Hello, friends. Today, our health topic is mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a mental training practice that teaches you to slow down racing thoughts, let's go of negativity, and calm both your mind and body. It combines meditation with the practice of mindfulness, which can be defined as a mental state that involves being fully focused on the now. So you can acknowledge and accept your thoughts, feelings, and sensation without judgment. Learning mindfulness meditation is straightforward enough to practice on your own, but a teacher or program can also help you get started. Find a quiet and comfortable place. Sit in a chair or on the floor with your head, neck, and back straight but not stiff. It's also helpful to wear comfortable, loose clothing so you are not distracted. But being that this practice can be done anywhere for any amount of time, a dress code is not required. While it's not necessary, a time, preferably with a soft, gentle alarm, can help you focus on meditation and forget about time and eliminate any excuse you have for stopping and doing something else. Since many people lose track of time while meditating, it can also ensure you are not meditating for too long, but sure to also allow with yourself time after meditation to become aware of where you are and get up gradually. While some people meditate for longer sessions, even a few minutes every day can make a difference. Begin with a short 5 minutes meditation session and increase your sessions by 2 or 15 minutes until you are comfortable meditating for 10 minutes at a time or 30 minutes at a time. Always focus on breathing. Become aware of your breath, attending to these sensations of air moving on and out of your body. As you breathe, feel your belly rise and fall as the air enters your nostrils and leaves your nostrils. Pay attention to the temperature change while the breath is inhaled versus when it's exhaled. Notice your thoughts always. The goal is not to stop your thoughts but to get more comfortable becoming the witness to the thoughts. When thoughts come up in your mind, don't ignore or suppress them. Simply note them, remain calm, and use your breathing as an anchor. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by. Watch them float by as they shift and change. Repeat these as often as you need to while you are meditating. Give yourself a break. If you find yourself getting carried away in your thoughts, whether with worry, fear, anxiety, or hope, observe where your mind went without judgment and just return to your breathing. Don't be hard on yourself if this happens. The practice of returning to your breath and refocusing on the present is the practice of mindfulness. Always remember, meditation is a practice, so it's never perfect. You are ready to begin now, just as you are, and try your free meditations and free mindfulness meditations. Regular practice of mindfulness meditation has benefits for your physical as well as your mental health. Reducing stress, mindfulness based stress reduction, a standardized therapeutic approach to mindfulness meditation, has been shown to reduce symptoms of stress in healthy individuals. The practice has also been found to be beneficial for a number of mental and physical disorders, including anxiety, depression, and chronic pain. Lower heart rate. Heart disease is one of the top causes of death in the United States or other country, and research suggests that mindfulness may be beneficial for your heart. In one meta-analysis of 45 studies, individuals who tried meditation and exhibited lower heart rates and blood pressure and exhibited fewer makers of stress overall. Improved immunity also. Research also suggests that mindfulness practices may improve your body's resistance to illness. One study compared the impact of both mindfulness and exercise on immune function. They found that people who had taken part in an 8-week mindfulness course had fewer days missed at work than those in the exercise and control groups. Better sleeps or better sleep. Studies have also shown that practicing mindfulness meditation might improve sleep and even be useful for treating certain sleep disturbance. Now, making mindfulness meditation a regular practice can lead to stronger effects, but that doesn't necessarily mean that you need to do it every day. Studies have found that meditating 3 to 4 times per week can have big benefits, and regularly meditating for 8 weeks will actually alter the brain, according to neuroimaging studies. As you practice mindfulness meditation, it helps to find ways to bring mindfulness into your everyday life, especially on those days when life is too busy to carve out a minute alone. Mindfulness meditation is one technique, but everyday activeness or activities and tasks provide plenty of opportunities for mindfulness practice. Brushing your teeth. Feel your feet on the floor, the brush in your hand, and your arm moving up and down. Doing dishes. Savor the feelings of the warm water on your hands, the look of the bubbles, and the sounds of the pans clutching on the bottom of the sink. Doing laundry. Pay attention to the smell of the clean cloths and the feel of the fabric. Add a focus element and count your breaths as you fold laundry. Driving. Turn off the radio or put on something smoothing like classical music. Imagine your spine growing tall, Find the halfway point between relaxing your hands and gripping the wheel too tightly. Whenever you notice your mind wandering, bring your attention back to where you and your car are in space, exercising. Instead of watching television while on the treadmill, try focusing on your breathing and where your feet are as you move. Getting kids ready for bed. Get down to the same level as your kids. Look in their eyes. Listen more than you talk and savor any snuggles. When you relax, they will too. Getting started with a mindfulness meditation practice can sometimes seem in intimidating, but it's important to remember that even a few minutes every each day can be beneficial. Just a few minutes of being present can reap significant benefits. Even if you don't do it every day, it's a practice you can keep coming back to when you need it. Thanks a lot watching my videos, and be happy and be healthy in your life. Have a good day.